The accusation is that the Congress is the one which has disrupted Parliament repeatedly, not allowed a discussion to take place because of your insistence on a discussion only on Pegasus. You don't have the moral right to target the Modi government. The Modi government, according to the minister, was the one which was ready for a dialogue.
Rajdeep, first of all, the unfair advantage that the BJP got today, 20 minutes of airtime to the minister without similar time being given to his counterpart in the opposition. So please give me more time than you would have given to me otherwise. Mm-hmm. Now, we thought that this was a company sarkar. It was East India Company then, but now it's West India Company. Today and yesterday, all through these 3-4 days, what we witnessed in the parliament was as if there was some kind of a shooting going on of gangs of Varnagar or whatever, some kind of a movie. It's for the government to really bring everyone together. But right from day one, Mr. Modi and his government has ensured that the relationship between the opposition and the treasury benches has really gone for a toss. Thanks to Mr. Modi and his political conduct. BSc, what was decided in the Business Advisory Committee that the GIC bill will not be taken up. Mm-hmm. What did they do? What did they do with the standing committee? Forcing officers not to attend the standing committee meetings. Has it ever happened in the parliamentary history of India? Look at the language of Mr. Prahlad Joshi. We'll fix them. Who is he?
No. 1 minute. This is where I must intervene. He is pointing out what. He is pointing out to the scenes and the video which has now been brought out. The fact is, in the video, it is very clear. 1 minute. In the video, it is very clear that the Congress MPs also have much to answer.
My friend, give me some advantage. Give me some time. आपने 20 मिनट प्रहलाद जोशी को दे दिए, यहाँ एक बीजेपी का स्पोक्समैन बैठा दिया, आप मुझे इंटरप्ट किए जा रहे हैं. मुझे बोलने तो दीजिए आप. पार्लियामेंट में जो हो रहा है वहीं स्टूडियो में भी होने लग जाएगा, तो हम कहां बोलेंगे साहब, ये तो बताइए.
Okay.
Now tell me, parliamentary procedure they don't respect. You remember how the farm laws were passed? Mm-hmm. The kind of din they created. Why wasn't it sent to the committee? There is a procedure. If Mr. Modi doesn't understand procedure, Mr. Prahlad Joshi should understand procedure. They don't follow procedure. They leak selective parts of a video. What about our women MPs? The way the marshals misbehaved with them. Why were the 45 marshals brought in advance, even before the mayhem began, the so-called mayhem began? What was the intention of the government? पहले ही आप मार्शल ले आए, आपको पहले ही सब कुछ पता था, पेगासस लगा रखा था आपने, कि सब कुछ पता था आपको.
No, 1 minute.
All this, Rajdeep, to run away from the P word, Pegasus. एक आदमी का डर, which is नरेंद्र मोदी, ऐसा डरपोक प्रधानमंत्री नहीं देखा. पेगासस का नाम आते ही खुद गायब हो गए पार्लियामेंट से. न प्रधानमंत्री दिखे पार्लियामेंट में, न होम मिनिस्टर दिखते हैं पार्लियामेंट में. क्या डर है साहब? बोल देते ना, जैसे राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कहा. Why couldn't the Prime Minister stand up and say that no, my government, none of my departments has dealt with NSO or has bought Pegasus?